This is the King Boy Challenge. Today here we out here. I just want y'all to know at the beginning of this video right here that this is my third time trying to post this video on YouTube. I was supposed to have this video posted about 4 or 5 days ago, and I had to re-edit and re-edit it because copyright claims. Now the copyright claims on this video for some reason is blocking my video. It's not even allow the video to be played. It says block worldwide. I have tried to edit it, shorten it down, try to take music out, do music here, still getting blocked. So I definitely shortened this video quite a bit. This video originally was supposed to be like a 20-minute video. Now it's originally gonna be like maybe 10 minutes or something. But it's still gonna be a good video. Hopefully y'all like it and everything. And if you like it a lot, go ahead and subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because you know we just hit that 500 now recently. Also, the way the giveaway goes is, the giveaway I'm doing is you message me on Instagram, Malik King 418. When you message me on Instagram, Malik King 418, text me giveaway. That way I get on understand that you want to be joining the giveaway. This is free. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, make sure to follow me too while you're already there. If you're gonna text me on Instagram, you might well follow me while you're at it. I'm just saying, you know, you have right there. Just go and hit that following right there while you're at it. But message me on Instagram, giveaway, and I'm gonna post on a link down the bottom right here what my Instagram is. And I'm also a message right here what my Instagram is on the bottom of the screen right here. And yeah, I'm opening this giveaway for 3 weeks. This giveaway is only gonna go for 3 weeks. And the way I'm gonna do it is, I'm gonna get all the names y'all text me giveaway, write it down on a piece of paper. I'm gonna get them all the same size, everything, and then I'm gonna put it all in a big bucket, like a 5-gallon bucket. And I'm gonna mix it around and everything, and I'm gonna draw it like that, because that's probably the fairest way I can think of for everybody having the opportunity. The only way I can see more fair than that if I do like a raffle site, but the raffle sites they usually charge you about $400-500 for a raffle site, and they prefer it to be cash rifles. And I don't. This is a free giveaway, so yeah, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna keep it up. Today is the 23rd, so I can't think of the top of my head in 3 weeks, but I'll look on the calendar in 3 weeks though. 21 days technically. I'm gonna go ahead and go YouTube live, and then y'all found out YouTube live and Instagram live, and y'all gonna find out who's the winner. I'm also making in the next video. Also, go and hit that subscribe button, because I got way more bangers coming. I'm talking about Redemption Day videos, base them over here. I got like multiple truck review videos. I got all kind of content coming. I'm talking about just straight fire content. So yeah, let's get to the video. Get the stunt wall in the mud.
Hey, yeah, I'm all about my money, baby.
That mud, that talking right there. I like that. Clear. I see you got PRV and everything on there. With them 8s? 10s? That mud talking right there. I like that. How you got your amps and stuff?
That button in this box right there.
Oh, I see right there. Oh yeah. How many you got?
Yeah, sit down. You can see put the seat down.
Oh yeah, the seat down. Does it just fold? Oh, you got a little handle right here.
Handle right there.
Oh, I see right there. You got it clean off on here too. You got it clean off on here too. You ain't got no wires going nowhere. No, it's clean off on here. Man, you did a good job, man. I like that. It clean. Now, what kind of battery that right there? Lithium battery?
No, it's just a damn AGM battery. Just I got a 90 amp an hour lithium at the house.
Oh heck yeah.
My 418s before I do that.
Oh, so you finna pull the whole seat out then,
Yeah,
basically.
I'm finna take the whole back seat out and do a blow through box.
What kind of 418s you think about going with? You going with ZVX Scar, or you going with PRV? Or EVL? Evolution Series Scars? I know what you're talking about.
I'm going to EVL. Shit.
Hey, yeah, them mud bank, man, they win, man. Whamming.
On this stock alternator right now, I'm putting out like 14.3 on the stock alternator.
Hey,
I
dang.
ain't put the other alternator on, even on yet.
What kind of alternator you got?
What is alternator?
Well, like a Pewter.
Yeah, pure.
I don't really hit too many people run that. Most people run a McMahon out here a lot. Oh, McMahon 370.
That pure the only one that made one for this truck.
Oh, dang.
McMahon didn't even have one for this truck.
They might want, dang.
Nope.
I didn't even know that. I don't even know how y'all alternators is on the 6.7s right here.
They easy to get to. They right there.
Right on top.
Yeah, right there on top of the
Yeah, I never.
He pulled that one cooler pipe right there.
Yeah.
Sitting right there.
Oh, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. I knew y'all pull up, man. I know Alice real, man. Had to check out your boy. Y'all boy doing the thing, man. For so, man. Y'all doing it. Heck yeah.
I'm doing the same thing. Shit, I had
man, yeah.
Look at that motherfucker right here. That was my car. That was my Honda right there.
That hard right there. God,
six Punisher 10s in the back, 8 10s, well 2 10s per dough.
What's that?
Sweeters.
What's that amp that is?
That's a Scar 4500 SK, and then 2 3K Stetsons and Stetson crossover.
Yeah.
That's everything. Man, I had that whole car deal right there.
Man, you doing it, man, right there. That clean. That's tight right there. Man, boy, Ellie got that pressure right here. Check this out, man. Oh. Man. So you change the PRV in the doors now, I see. Man, I see, man. Mate, turn up a little bit and check you out, see what you're working with. I ain't heard it since you redid everything.
Drink when I told you about the house and the wedding ring. I'm 719. What's happening? Hit a band on.
You turn it up a little bit more right there, see.
Cracking the trunk and everything.
Man, yeah.
Mr. Crack that.
Yeah. He said Mr. Crack that. So I'm beating the trunk apart, see. Man, yeah.
What'd you say, son? What'd you say, Crack?
He winning. Man, y'all check this dude out right here with the B-body, a Silverland. Check that boy out with the B-body, the lip with the fortune. Man, nothing much, fam. Simple Tahoe on the outside, but look at that. He ain't playing you.
That shit, the 3,000 a row.
That's Orion 15 in there?
Orion 15.
I thought so. What they call it, the 8C?
Yeah.
I know you talking about. See. Man,
I ain't even cut all my fame on.
Yeah, I heard that, man. I like that boss right there, too. That's hard. Big stepper, too. He's stepping, too. Man. Hey, I like that, man.
Yep.
That ain't no 4-channel.
Both got low that time.
Knock the highs out about that.
That's on there right there. When you turn it, you get them bows right, it finna beat the Winston. I feel it right there. I feel it right there. I said, it finna get working now. You ain't even playing 20% of what they been doing. Yeah.
I got another 5K on my hand to him.
Yeah.
I got another one on the way. So next time you see me,
I heard it right there. I felt it when it started fooling. I said, he just bad. He ain't playing.
that wasn't even in there. That wasn't even in the street. That was in Tomo. I'm scared to turn the bitch up. Last time I turned that bitch up, I shifted my damn my leaf spring. So I had to trade the leaf spring right back out and make everything right now. I ain't turned it up bad that much no more.
Who with the box right here? Who got the box? That's you with the box.
Old school with the grill, King of those fella can help you about it. Time feel long and clean every day's a holiday. Getting paid every day's a holiday. You ain't seen a good one till you see me on the coast.
Hey, that's even out. That's pretty good right there.
Let you video mine, but I can't play mine like that.
I think I heard you a long time, but I ain't get no footage of it. That's when you had to put the 18s in there or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Got a little something in there.
All right. Oh, you got the Triumphs 8,000. I know that motherfucker get to talking.
It do alright.
So you don't redid your whole setup since the last time I seen it. You didn't have this box, none of this, just this right here. I like this a lot. It's real clean look too. Real clean. Ain't no
Wait till I
wire.
get it
Yeah.
carpet down. I'm gonna get it carpet down.
Got the PRV in the back and in the front. I like that. And
Yeah, I try to keep it all matching.
you got the speakers in the front doors too, do you?
All alone, I'm in my groove. They say I'm anti-social, you been lied to. Ain't no telling what I might do.
Made everything blend.
Ain't no telling who I might screw. I'm just playing, but I only want you. For you, all of these things I do. With my Margellas with no laces, I hate being tied down. I don't like the way pay, I fake need it right now. Like you know, son, in my eyes and a big house. Running was smack down, I'ma blow her back out. Next week I may fly out to Japan, just to vibe down. In a couple days. All alone, I'm in my groove. They say I'm anti-social, you been lied to. Ain't no telling what I might do. Hit a shirt and try to talk. I'm sorry.
I'm tagging the soap. I want them with some money. But if they get with the shit, I'ma flush me. I'm just out. I'm looking for ratings, you know. She making her rumors. Don't nobody believe them. That shit don't surprise me.
I'm rapping my chopper same. I put rhymes and I. I keep the ass bitches with her. Spread out with the 556 nigga.
Everybody gets the seat.
Right, yeah. I mean, same seats down now.
Look at mine. Really ain't got no
Yeah, I see what you mean.
All alone, I'm in my groove. They say I'm anti-social, you been